Hey guys, gonna do a video on some HX35s and H1cs, just show you guys the difference. And I've had a few guys asking about it, and I've seen some stuff on the internet. Guys are talking about it. I don't know why I personally wouldn't use any of this stuff anymore, but what do you do? So anyways, let's get after here. Coña, what's this?
Just like yourself.
Some
bullets of...
Anyways, let's do some turbo things. Okay, so these are the turbos that I was talking about. You guys are in the video. So, this is an H1c off of a... Get out of here! Fucking guy.
Just be a part of it.
Yeah. Hold on, you want me to show you? Here. This, look at...
Helpful.
Okay, these guys are here.
Helpful.
This is Bill. Bill is in the high-vis.
Hey, bud.
And Andrew, you guys have met. He's over there texting like he usually is.
You guys be alone.
Yeah.
All right.
Just, they wanted to be in the video, so I'm putting them in the video. I am going to put them in the video, just because. They want to be part of the video. Everybody wants to be part of the video.
Want to be YouTube famous.
Everyone wants to be YouTube famous. All right, so this is an H1c off of a non-intercooled engine. So your 89 to 91 non-intercooled stuff. And you can see that it's actually, like, the face on it, I should say the housing on it is really, really small. So next one up the line is an H1c intercooled, which is actually basically the same as the early HX35s. It just has a bigger housing, which there was a couple options and a couple aftermarket options for tightening that stuff up. But other than that, it's the same. And then the next one, you actually have, which I don't have one here, but it's an H1cW, so which is basically just a wastegated model. And then there's the HX35, which there again, all three of those are basically the same cartridge with different housings on them. And the H1cW is the identical turbo to this one. So this has an 8-blade design, and these are an 8-wheel design, but they're quite a bit smaller in diameter, so they move a lot less air. And then when you get into the later model, which comes off of the late 12 valve and then the VP44 trucks, is an HX35 as well, but it has a 7-blade design, which is actually a smaller diameter than these ones. Not by a lot, but it is a smaller diameter by a couple mil. But these ones actually, with the 7-blade design, sorry, versus the 8-blade design, these ones actually move more air. So these ones are 52 liters per minute, and these ones are 60 liters per minute, which is actually a pretty good number from, you know, super old technology. This stuff I personally don't really run anymore, but hey, you know, if you guys are on a budget and you don't have a lot of money to spend, this would be my turbo of choice. If you're going to run, you know, any of these on any of the trucks, I would be running one of these. And I'll get into later videos where we're going to be adding a newer turbochargers and some more information. But I need to gather some more information, and even honestly, I need to learn more about it too. There's a lot of sizing and graphs and all that type of stuff. I can read turbo charts, but not in entirety, and I want to learn more about it before I explain it to you guys. So anyways, but I have had guys asking and talking about it. So like I said, these ones are going to flow the same. This one is going to flow more. This one's going to flow less. So I'll give you guys a close-up look at them, just so that you can see better. So this one's is quite a bit, considerably smaller actually. If I can set this housing on here, you can see. You'll actually be able to see how much smaller it actually is. So you can actually see it's quite a few mil smaller. So those ones are kind of irrelevant as far as I'm concerned. Using them, I don't know, I'm sure there's applications that they work, and if you stay in stock, don't get me wrong, they work just fine. The early H1Cs myself, I would be going to an HX35 at the very least, into one of these, an 8-blade design. But if you're going to go into it, I would do a 7-blade design for sure. But that would be, I don't have much more to go on this video as far as that goes. Like I said, if you're going to do it, I would do one of these. If you can find one, like I said, that's going to come off of a late 12 valve. And the easiest way to tell, actually, with just a glance, is the late style 7 blade. As far as I know anyway, all of them will have the wastegate mounted like this on the actual housing, where the other ones do not. So by glance, that's the easy way to tell. So this is the earlier, this is the later. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you got any comments or questions, hit me down below. Thanks, guys.